Hey, we're back again. So, good news. We've had a whole lot of our parts come back from the powder coaters. We picked up our arms this morning. We've got them down here. Picked up all the arms, the trailing arms. Got the we've got the uprights, the trailing arms, the upper links, sway bars. I don't know what you call that thing, but it's off the steering rack. Got our engine mounts, our drive shaft guard, got our surge tank. So started getting a lot of the bits back, which is awesome. There's still heaps and heaps to come. I reckon another 2 trailer loads, maybe 3. So they say that will be done by Friday. I know there's another trailer load with stuff coming today. So that's great. I've started, I think you've seen it. So I've had all of the radiator pipe work, which is all aluminium. I've had it all anodised, red and blue, hot and cold. Bit wanky, I know, but I did it. It's going to look awesome. So yeah, I've started just going through and gluing some 3mm rubber onto all of my brackets where all of the tubes are going to be sitting. So I've overcut them obviously at the moment. I'm going to go through and trim them all up. Also glued some rubber in to the radiator mount, just a bit of anti-vibration so we just don't have 2 dissimilar metals touching and metal on metal. So started doing that. I brought a whole lot of brought some new taps because I've got to re-tap every thread just to be sure. And I brought some I don't know what you call these things, flap wheels that go into your drill to clean up around the bearings. They're pretty good. There's not too much paint in them. Like they do pack, they've used cardboard in here, which, you know, it's probably got 95% of the stuff out. Just needs a little clean up before we go and try and whack the bearing in there. So got to clean all them up. That's fine. And yeah, we'll head back to the powder coater today, and we'll get the last load. Hopefully by today we'll have all of the steel parts, which is enough for me to start getting the car back onto 4 wheels. So I'm going to start that. What day is it today? I think it's Tuesday. No, it must be Thursday. Damn. So it's Thursday. So all the stuff will be done by tomorrow. Hopefully the car will be sitting on 4 wheels come Sunday. He's hoping. Anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And yeah, we'll catch you later.